everyone! Ready? Let's play video games! And there are millions of them! I play them, my parents have played them, but do you know video games are so old that maybe your grandparents played them too? It was October 1958, and several visitors waited in line for the Brookhaven National Laboratory Annual Day, thanks to physicist William Higginbotham's brilliant idea. Did he invent a new phone? No! He came up with the first ever video game. He called it Tennis for Two. That sounds like a discount offer at a sporting goods store. Buy one tennis, get one free? The game had two controllers and one super old computer, so ancient that you still had to push buttons and knobs to get it to work. But no matter how rusty, it soon became the most popular activity in town. No surprise there, everyone loves a challenge. Even Higginbotham loved challenges. That's why he took one on to improve the game. He made the screen much bigger. I wish he had made the name better though. He even let players change the gravity, so players could even see what it would be like if they were playing tennis for two on the moon. Now that's what I would call out of this world. The trend lasted 2 years, and then the game was retired. But hey, Tennis for Two walked so that many more video games could run. Now we play video games set in farms, in temples, and even in fantasy lands. Oh hey, gotta go. It's my turn to play video games on the family computer. Gotta beat my grandpa to it.